Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to share system information on your MacBook. So let's jump right into this video. Just to check your system information on MacBook is quite easy. So what you can do is to go here at the top, you see this Apple logo. So let's just click on here and then we have to select your system settings. And let's click on system settings, and here we can see about our MacBook. We can see informations like the chip, memory, startup disk, serial number, Mac OS. We can see here more information. We can click on more info, and then here we can see the limited warranty, serial number, memory, chip name, and also displays. And now we can click on details, and here we can see some of the details related to the warranty. And we can also click on here to more info. And then here we have details and system report. And here we can see more system related to number of cores, chip, model number, model name, activation, hardware, serial number. Yeah, here you can also check in where is it, in power. Yeah, in power you can check system count, so you can see, you can check your system count on this MacBook, condition and maximum capacity. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I know maybe you want to sell your MacBook and you want to see how many cycles you have on your battery, or maybe you want to check your battery health. That's where you have to go. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.